So I got to give this. Huh? कि few moments back I went out for a tea. हाँ? चाय पीने गया था मैं, तो मैं जैसे डोर पर गया, डोर लॉक कर रहा था, मेरे पीछे से एक लेडी आई, unknown lady, I don't know. I have seen once. She was wearing a black scarf. Seen her once in the same lift. So she went down the lift. हाँ, नीचे गई, 4th फ्लोर से वापस ऊपर आई, एंड मैं डोर लॉक कर गया, मैं लिफ्ट के पास खड़ा रहा. अगेन शी केम बैक फ्रॉम स्टेयर्स, 4th फ्लोर पे उतर के तुरंत ऊपर आई वापस. मेरे को नहीं मालूम मैटर क्या था. So here's the chase now. So if she had any work on 4th floor, so she would have stayed there, and she would have pressed the button and she would have come back. What do you call it? Press the button, and when the lift went down, she would have entered the lift. But she came back. She purposely wanted to show that she has taken the lift from 5th floor. But she has already taken the lift, went at 4th, and came upstairs again and took the lift again from the 5th floor. Why? First of all, she knew I was gonna go out because I was locking my door. Huh? Then she didn't want to stay on the 4th. A lady with a black scarf. So this is Victoria, not Ryan. They want to prove that I live in Ryan. क्या ऐसा कुछ prove करने का. So first, she didn't take the lift again from the 4th floor. She didn't wait. She had to come upstairs again for the lift. She would have just pressed the button and she would have done nothing. The lift, she knew I was going downstairs. If I am waiting for the lift, so I was going downstairs. And I was locking my door. She took the lift and went, and from 4th she came from stairs again, and she went down. So what was the reason to go down? If there was any reason to go down over on 4th floor, then why didn't she take the lift back from 4th floor? Why she had to come back to 5th floor and prove some, what do you call it, come inside the lift when I entered? Look, this is a suspicious event. They might be living their normal life, but this is a suspicious, damn suspicious event. Damn, a damn one, a good one. She would have just, whatever work was her, at whatever floor she had work, she would have just stayed there. She would have just stayed there and pressed the button, and she would have went down. Her destination was ground floor, my destination was the ground floor. Why she has to climb the stairs again? And already she left. And what was she doing at 5th floor? And what was the work at 4th floor? Whatever the floor was. What was the thing? I don't fucking get it. And this lady is not from here. Victoria, I've never seen her before. So many months, man. June 2024, I will leave. Very suspicious event in that panic box. उसको अगर नीचे जाने का था, कुछ चौथे माले पे काम था, तो चौथे माले पे बटन दबा के वो लिफ्ट के लिए रुक सकते थे. वो वापस सीढ़ियों से ऊपर आई और फिर आई एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी अगेन. मैं मेरा दरवाजे लॉक कर रहा था, लेडी मेरे पीछे से गई, लिफ्ट में गई 5th फ्लोर से, और आई वॉज बिजी लॉकिंग, तो मुझे टाइम लग गया. तो मैंने कुछ सोचा ये लिफ्ट जाने दो, आई विल टेक द नेक्स्ट वन, अकेला जाऊंगा. तो वो लेडी 4th फ्लोर पे, कौन से फ्लोर पे उतरी रहेगी, 4th या 3rd, स्टेयरकेस से वापस ऊपर आई और मेरा लॉक करके हो गया, तो मैंने बटन दबाया तो लिफ्ट वापस ऊपर आई। तो मैं लिफ्ट के अंदर गया, देखो तो पीछे से लेडी भी आई, सेम स्कैफ, ब्लैक स्कैफ। ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि अगर उसको 4th फ्लोर पे काम था तो वहाँ पे बटन दबा के वो रुक सकते थे, क्योंकि मेरा डेस्टिनेशन तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर है, ऊपर तो नहीं जाऊँगा, मेरा कोई नहीं है ऊपर, है ना, तो नीचे ही जाऊँगा। माई डेस्टिनेशन इज ग्राउंड फ्लोर। वो स्टेयरकेस से वापस ऊपर आई, देन दिस थिंग हैपेंड, शी एंटर्ड द लिफ्ट अगेन विद मी। क्या बता, डू शी वांट टू शो दैट शी लिव्स इन, आई लिव इन रायन and this is Ryan? Do they want to show this? It's a fucking nutcase job. They are messed in their own thing. मेरे को सिर्फ एक हल्का सा डिटेल उनका पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करता है, समझे।